To make Twitter or X account private, first you need to open X application. Tap on the profile icon here on the top left corner. Now tap on settings and support. Tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on privacy and safety. Click on audience and tagging. So there is no direct option for private your account on Twitter or public account on Twitter. There is two options: protect your post, protect your videos. When these two are enabled, then your account is private. No other than your followers, no one can see your post or videos. Only your followers can see your post and videos. If you toggle these off, then your account is public. Anyone on Twitter or X can see your post or videos. So just toggle these off to private your account. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.